Well, after a long day of drone mapping this big forest, it is now starting to rain. And this is very early for the rains. Super early. And I'm really hoping is that this signifies there'll be a really early rainy season. Because it's been too late the last 2 years and many trees have died because of it. It's not a fucking joke. It's the real shit that matters here more than the people do, more than I do, is what happens with this forest and what happens with the climate. And you've probably never gone through a real drought in your life. You know, the kind of drought where you don't have enough food. But if you have, then you'll know water actually matters. And there are people in the world who know this. There's been people who had to move from their home because over decades of time, there was less water available to them. That's a frightening, frightening prospect. It should scare the shit out of you. Now I know that you think you're fine because you have water that comes out of your tap, right? Comes right out, and then you shit in it because you're dumb. So just imagine, download some like post-apocalyptic movies and issues about how you're going to survive when all your systems fail you totally, and then get a clue. Like, how do energy systems actually work? And what happens when these fragile systems that you are relying on for your survival all fail?